What is up everybody, Gistic here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove followers on Twitter. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is obviously open up Twitter. So once you're on your account, click on followers. Alright, so we're just gonna delete a couple people. So we're gonna see this guy right here, known 380. I'm sorry dude, but we're gonna have to get rid of you. So what you want to do is click on these three dots and it says more user actions. Click on it, and then what you want to do is just click on block, press block, and then we can refresh this, and now we have 230 followers and he is no longer in our following list. You can also unblock people by going to their page and clicking unblock. Yeah, that is it for this video. If this did help you, please hit that like button and go check out my other videos. I have lots of tutorials uploaded on the channel, so one of them is bound to help you. And yeah, that is it from me. Have a wonderful day and peace out.